In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make worksheets with Microsoft Word. Worksheets are useful for teaching, training, or organizing tasks, and creating them in Word allows you to design customizable, professional-looking materials quickly. By using Word's formatting tools, tables, and content controls, you can build worksheets that are both functional and visually appealing, whether for students, employees, or personal use. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Decide on the purpose and layout of your worksheet, such as exercises, questionnaires, or activity sheets. Starting with a clear structure in mind will make it easier to arrange the content and design the layout effectively. You can also adjust page orientation to landscape or portrait under the Layout tab depending on the type of worksheet you want to create. One of the most effective ways to organize a worksheet is by using tables. Tables help separate questions, instructions, and answer spaces neatly. Go to the Insert tab and click Table to select the number of rows and columns you need. For example, you might create one column for questions and another column for answer spaces. Once the table is inserted, you can adjust the width of the cells, align text to the left or center, and add borders or shading to improve readability. Next, add your content, such as instructions, questions, or prompts. Make sure to format headings and sections using Word's built-in styles like Heading 1 or Heading 2. This not only improves the visual structure of the worksheet, but also allows you to generate a table of contents if needed for longer documents. You can include numbers, bullets, or checkboxes for multiple-choice or task-based worksheets. Finally, review the worksheet for clarity and spacing. Make sure that questions and answer areas are well aligned and that instructions are easy to understand. Adjust fonts, spacing, and cell sizes as needed to create a professional and user-friendly layout. And that's it. By combining tables, formatting tools, and optional form controls, you can create fully functional worksheets in Microsoft Word that are ready for printing or digital use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.